Hello everyone. In our series of national park, today we will be looking at state of Maharashtra. In general, there are 6 important national parks located in this area. Out of these 6, one is shared between your Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. Let's see the geographical map for better clarity. Starting from the Pench Tiger Reserve, which is shared between Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. Then we have Navegaon National Park, Gugamal National Park, Tadoba National Park, Sanjay Gandhi National Park and Chandauli National Park. Let's see the detail of this national park one by one. If we talk about the first national park, that is your Sanjay Gandhi National Park. It is one of the largest metropolitan city national park of Asia. If we talk about important lakes in this area, that is Vihar and Tulsi, attracts a lot of birds, so that's why it is important bird area also. River Dahisar, Revat, Lakshmi flows through this national park, providing a lot of biodiversity. Hence we can find moist deciduous forest, semi-evergreen forest, mangrove scrubs and also moist teak forest in this area. If we talk about kind of animals which can be found in this area, that is leopards, barking deers and rock geckos that are found in this area. And you might be knowing this, that it is a part of Deccan Plateau, so that's why basic lava rock can be found in this area. Let's talk about the second national park, that is our Tadoba National Park. Tadoba Andheri Tiger Reserve is also the name given to this national park, and you might be knowing that it is located in Chandrapur district of Maharashtra. It is one of the largest and oldest national park of the state, and Andheri river flows through this national park. So it provides a variety of vegetation, that is dry deciduous forest, and we can find animals like Royal Bengal tiger, leopards, smooth coated otter in this national park. You can also find Indian gaur in this national park. Let's talk about the third national park, that is Navegaon National Park, also known as Navegaon Bandit National Park. This area is having a lake that is like your Navegaon Bandh lake, and it is also having a dam, that is Ityadho dam. Sorry if I pronounced this wrong. So that's why in this area you find a lot of birds coming to this area, especially the migratory birds, which is making this area as important bird area. If we talk about kind of vegetation, a variety of vegetation can be found in this area, that is dry mixed forest, that is moist deciduous forest ranging from rainforest. Okay, so variety of forest that you can find in this area, and wide variety of animal that can be found in this area, including tiger, leopards, your wild dog, dhole, hyena, wolf, sambar, gaur, barking deer, etc. So let's talk about the fourth national park, that is Pench Tiger Reserve. It is situated in the lower catchment area of Pench River and also your Satpura Hills. So this area is also mentioned in your Jungle Book, and the character of Mowgli is inspired from this particular national park. If we talk about kind of vegetation that can be found in this area, that is southern tropical dry deciduous teak forest and southern tropical mixed deciduous forest. Variety of animal that can be found in this area, including your tiger, panther, jungle cat, small Indian cavets, your sloth bears, your common giant squirrels and flying squirrels, etc. So these kind of animals that can be found in this area. Let's talk about the fifth national park of this area, that is our Chandauli National Park, located in the southern portion of Syadri Tiger Reserve, and this area includes forest type of mixed deciduous forest, semi-evergreen forest and grassland. Varna river flows through this national park or originates from this national park, and this Chandauli dam is located across the river Ram. If we talk about kind of forest, or you can say animal that can be found in this area, that is tiger, gaur, deer, leopards and panther, etc. If we talk about vegetation type that can be found in this area, because of varying river, we can find deciduous forest, semi-evergreen forest and grasslands. If we talk about the last national park located in this area, so that is our just a second, that is our Gugamal National Park. Also the area of Melghat Tiger Reserve comes under this national park. So we are having important, it acts as an important corridor between the Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra in the Satpura Hills. If we talk about, it is inhabited by the Korku tribe, along with that Nihal and Goylis tribes that can be found in this area. Sorry if I pronounced this wrong. And important fact about this Melghat Tiger Reserve and this area, Tapi and Purna river system catchment area is found in this area, and Chandrabhaga river originates from this particular area. If we talk about kind of animal which we can find in this area, that is endangered gaur, starting from tiger, wild dog, dhole, jackal, sloth bears, leopards, crackles that can be found in this area. Most abundant species that is found in this area is flying squirrel. So that's it about all the national park located in the state of Maharashtra. I hope you are able to remember each of these very precisely. If we talk about the India, we have covered every state beside your Madhya Pradesh and seven sister including your Sikkim. So these are the leftovers, and UTs are also left, which includes your Andaman Nicobar and Lakshadweep. We will be covering them shortly just before your prelims exam. So thank you for watching our video. I hope you learned a lot. Thank you very much.